Here's a 2015 Honda Civic sedan. The energetic Civic makes the destination less important than the journey. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, smartphone wireless charging, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and doors and push-button start proximity key. Edmunds.com finds the Honda Civic has long been one of the better driving cars in its class, and this tradition continues with the latest version's precise, well-weighted steering and confident handling. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.